How to use the feature of text to speech on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application on your device. Choose the video which you want to edit. After that, once you're in the editing page, you simply need to go to audio option from the bottom tab. You will see the option of text to audio. Click on it and a text box will appear. Here you simply need to type the text which you want to audio in the video. So I'll simply write something like, "Hello everyone, have a great day." So once the text has been prepared, you simply need to click on done at the top right corner. After that, at the bottom, you will see different voice. Simply click on the one which is free if you have not purchased the premium version of CapCut. Then click on next. After that, you will see in certain minute of time, the text will be applied to your video. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.